Hey guys, what's up? I want to keep this intro really short and simple and to the point, but today's video I wanted to show you a 5-minute long eyeshadow makeup look, and today's look is going to be a rose goldy brown vibe eye look, and because of time purposes I want to keep it short, but yes, I'm just trying to show you how simple and easy you can do an everyday kind of glam look for a really low amount of time. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. So I'm going to be working with my Jaclyn Hill palette and my Naked 3 palette today because I feel like this look that I'm going to do today, I'm going to do like a rose golden brown look. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. I already put like a little, barely any concealer on the eyes, but you know that's not really important. So we are going to go in this shade right here. It's a little bit darker than a transition shade we normally use. And so I'm just going to put that shade. It's like a deep brown-ish, deep light brown, like a deep khaki color. And we're just going to move that around in the crease. Today's look is not going to be super dramatic, over the top, you know, it's going to be just something very realistic to get. And I'm doing this because I think I want to do more like 5-minute makeup videos, or if y'all want me to do the full face, that may take me 10 minutes, and do more like makeup in 10 minutes, you know, and like have it still looking poppin' without being like a hassle in a long period of time, you know. Now that we have that deep khaki color down on our face, I'm going to switch over to my Naked 3 palette, and we're going to go in really quickly with the shade Nooner right here. And we're going to put that right over that shade in the crease. It's just going to kind of give it that rose goldy brown vibe. I'm putting those two on top of each other. Now I'm just going to take a little flat brush and I'm going to spritz it really quick, and we're going to go back into this Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Buzz right here, which is just a pink. So this is going to be like that pinky rose gold brown vibe eye look, and we're just going to take that and use that as our main shade on the lid. Just a super pretty color. We're going to hop back into that Jaclyn Hill palette really slightly, and we're going to go into this chocolate brown shade over here, this far right one. Sorry I always hold the pan so strangely. And we're just going to take a little tiny bit of that chocolate brown and add it to the outer corner, just to give a little bit of deeper definition, to kind of make it a little, not smokier, but a little bit deeper. So you can see it's like I'm not adding a whole lot. I'm just trying to make it, you know, a little chocolatey. Now we have one last little step, and we're going to go in one of these highlight shades up here. I think I'm just going to go in the first one right there in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to just take that and put that in the center, inner corner of the eye, just to kind of, sorry, I just woke up, I got some eye boogers. But yeah, it takes like 2 seconds to just kind of really make that inner corner beam, and then if you want, put a little on your brow bone. Spice it up a little. Now I'm going to go in on just my bottom lash line with some black liner and a little on the top waterline. Sorry, I meant to say my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to curl my lashes just a little tiny bit. And I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang mascara today. It's not like my overall favorite mascara, it's just what I had today. And I do realize, like, in this video is probably going to be longer than 5 minutes, and that's just because I talk a whole lot. And I mumble and I drag things out. And, but yeah, and I know, like, even if I cut parts out of this video, you may be like, well, that wasn't a real 5-minute long eye makeup look. You know, it really can be. It really does, like, when I do my makeup every day, it really does probably take me, it does not take me 10 minutes to do my eye makeup every day, because I keep it so simple. If you watch my Easy Natural Glam from the Jaclyn Hill palette, it was like one of my first videos. I'm super awkward in it, but that really is like what I do on the daily if I don't know what I want to do. So I'm just going to go finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so really quickly I just went and finished the rest of my makeup, and so yeah, this is our overall look, and I'm trying to keep this video short so you will keep watching, but yeah, I just wanted to keep it really short and simple. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful and shows you that makeup can be super easy, simple, and fun, and you can get a really pretty look for a really low amount of time. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos 3 times a week, so if you want to see more things like this, let me know. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. But bye, have a great day.